What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Nick Stevens of Nick Stevens Gaming here with part 3 on how to get Streamlabs OBS set up to stream with Twitch. So today we're going to work on adding an alert box, which is if somebody subs or if they follow, anything like that, it'll actually throw the alert box with their name up there with a sound effect, and also a goals box. Which is going to have, any donation goals, follower goals, anything like that that you may have in your stream that you're wanting to, a goal that you're wanting to let folks know that you're trying to reach. So again, it's going to be as easy as navigating over to the theme tabs in Streamlabs OBS. But instead of going to our scene themes, we're going to navigate over to the widget themes, and we're going to use the same type of filters that we used before. Right now, we're just looking for an alert box and a goals box, and we're going to stick with the same color scheme with some oranges, reds, blacks, things like that. And we're just going to kind of go through here real quick and see which one we like. I kind of like this beast one here. So let's go ahead and open it up there. It's going to give you your same little previews just like it would with the scenes. And then instead of just hitting install like you would with a regular theme, you have to actually drop down here. And the only ones that we're looking for today are the alert box and the goals. You're more than welcome to set up event lists, donation ticker, chat box, viewer count, things like that. But I, of course, like to keep everything kind of simple and straightforward and uncluttered, because it just becomes confusing when people are trying to watch the game and there's just a whole bunch of things going on. So we're going to select those two. We're going to click on install, and that's automatically going to throw that theme into our starting soon here, and also into our, it doesn't look like it's did it to our live box, but that's okay. We've got our alert box and our donation goal. Now you can edit these to be any size that you want. You can make it big, you can make it small, you can move it around however you like. I like to keep mine kind of down in the bottom corner, low key, but still there. And then actually going in there to make everything to where it's on every screen is as easy as going to, say, your alert box here. We're going to right click, we're going to click on copy there. Navigate over to our live scene, and we're going to just go in any area here, and we're going to right click and hit paste reference. All right, we're going to want to verify that that it's on top of everything, so that no matter what, it's going to show up on top. And we'll go ahead and we'll do the same thing in our be right back screen. We're going to paste that reference up there. That way, if you're away and somebody follows or something, then they still get to see their name up on the screen, and everybody gets to kind of see that and hear the effects and all that good stuff. So let's go back to our stream starting soon. We're going to do the same thing with our donation goal. We're going to copy that baby, and we're going to go to our live scene, and we're going to paste that, paste a reference, and kind of move it around. We'll just kind of set it just up on top of that there. Looks pretty and happy. And then we'll do the same thing with the be right back. We're going to right click, paste reference, and it's going to pull all that up. So you've got across all the screens that you've got all of your alert box and your goals that are set up. I've got a little one here, like the goal, that's a donation goal for saving my mom's estate. She just passed away, unfortunately, recently. And there are a ton of bills to pay, to get caught up on. But that is beside the point. We can go back in here to our live scene, which is just black right now since we don't have any video games up or anything like that. And you can actually, if you look down here at the bottom, it has a button that says test widgets. So you can test where it says follow. Pretty cool. Nice little sound effect too. And then a sub. Then donations. And then a biddy goal. which it still just does that basic little sound effect, and then also a host. So yeah, that's as easy as that is. Setting those two things up are very, very, very simple and straightforward and all that good stuff. So that will do it for this very, very short tutorial. I hope this helps you guys get your stream just looking a little bit more professional and standing out. And I'll be back very soon with part 4, which is going to be adding a webcam and music and things like that. So until the next time I see you guys, happy streaming and peace.